Alright guys, I'm out here fishing and just hooked into a, pretty sure it's a bass. Gotta figure out how the hell I'm gonna get down there without busting my ass. Just using a Parsons Spoon. I think I'm gonna die down here. Oh wow, pretty nice smallie. Hopefully I can flip it up here without it popping off. There we go. Wow, that's a nice smallmouth right there. Parsons Spoon. Don't stick me. Come on. No, don't go down there either. Alright. There we go. That is a really nice smallmouth. Got that on Parsons Spoon. I don't remember what design that's called, but wow, I had him just barely hooked on the lip. That's a beautiful fish. It's probably a 3 1/4 maybe, I'm thinking. Get a weight on it real quick. Threw it out there a few times. I was bouncing it off the bottom. Then I ended up switching up my retrieve a little bit. All right, what we got? Got 0. Yeah, we got a 2.8, 2.9. That's a nice smallmouth right there. Nice long one too. Beautiful fish. See if we get any more of these guys. We'll keep throwing that spoon around. First time I actually caught a smallmouth using a spoon. I'm usually a jig guy. But I'm gonna get down here and we're gonna release it.